Ever wondered about the invisible architects behind the products that safeguard your most valuable digital assets? We interact with these innovations daily, trusting them with our financial future, yet the masterminds often remain in the shadows. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one such figure, the driving force behind a brand synonymous with secure cryptocurrency cold storage. We're talking about ELLIPAL, a name that resonates deeply within the crypto community for its robust, air-gapped hardware wallets. But who is the individual, or perhaps the team, that brought this crucial security solution to life? In the fast-evolving world of cryptocurrency, security is not just a feature, it's the bedrock of trust. From the early days of Bitcoin, the need for robust methods to protect digital wealth became glaringly apparent. We've seen countless stories of exchanges being hacked, hot wallets compromised, and individuals losing their life savings due to inadequate security measures. This landscape created an urgent demand for solutions that could offer an impenetrable fortress for private keys, the very essence of cryptocurrency ownership. Enter the hardware wallet, a physical device designed to keep your private keys offline, away from the prying eyes of the internet. Among these, ELLIPAL carved out a unique niche with its commitment to air-gapped security, meaning no physical connection whatsoever to any online device. This innovative approach, coupled with user-friendly interfaces, quickly propelled ELLIPAL to the forefront of the cold storage market. Their distinctive design, often resembling a ruggedized smartphone, immediately signals a serious approach to security. But such innovation doesn't just appear out of thin air. It's the result of vision, dedication, and a deep understanding of the vulnerabilities inherent in digital assets. So, who is the visionary behind ELLIPAL? This is where the story gets interesting and perhaps a little mysterious. Unlike many tech companies that prominently feature their charismatic founders, ELLIPAL, as a company, tends to maintain a more private profile regarding its leadership. This isn't uncommon in the cybersecurity space, where discretion can often be seen as an additional layer of security. The focus is overwhelmingly on the product's integrity and the security it provides, rather than on the personalities behind it. However, through diligent research and insights gleaned from industry events and official company statements, we can confirm that ELLIPAL was founded in 2018 by a dedicated team of cybersecurity and blockchain experts. While a single, publicly heralded founder in the traditional sense, like a Steve Jobs or an Elon Musk, isn't explicitly championed by the company, the collective expertise and shared vision of this founding team are undeniably the genesis of ELLIPAL. They identified the critical need for an uncompromisingly secure cold wallet solution that was also accessible and easy to use for the average crypto holder. Their initial objective was clear: to create a hardware wallet that offered true air-gapped security, completely isolating private keys from any network connection. This core principle has remained the cornerstone of ELLIPAL's product development, leading to features like QR code communication for transactions and robust anti-tamper mechanisms. The ongoing innovation, from their flagship Titan series to continuous software updates, demonstrates a sustained commitment from this founding group to evolve and adapt to new threats and user needs. In essence, while you won't find a singular name plastered across every ELLIPAL press release as the founder, the company's strong foundation and rapid growth are a testament to the collective ingenuity and unwavering dedication of its original team of innovators. Their shared vision for uncompromised crypto security is the true legacy of ELLIPAL's founding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.